Temu discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Temu. So let's get into it. And before I begin, the link will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout to save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So Temu is a widely known website with a bunch of different products. It's kind of like Amazon, but for China. AliExpress as well. It's like an all-in-one website. So let's get into it. So once you've liked a product, right, all you got to do is just simply click on it. So for example, I liked this product. I'll just simply open it up, and then here, these are the categories, and this is the product, and this is the product that I like. So I'm just simply going to open it up, and this is the product right here. Now here I can just simply go ahead and select the color I want, either black, white, or this blue one, which is more like a purple, but yeah, this is like a pink, and this is also like a rose pink. I don't know, this is also pink, darker pink, whatever. And these are all the compatible mobiles you can see right here. And then all I would have to do is just check my quantity and then simply hit the add to cart button. Once it's added, I also have to select the model, so I'll just select the A24 and simply click over here, and it's added right here. Then I can just simply hit the checkout page, and actually, can we go ahead and check out? Let me go ahead and click on the shopping cart icon and see. All right, here we go. So here I can just simply go ahead and check it out. I do need to go ahead and sign up. So sign up process is pretty simple. You just simply come over here, click on the sign up, register it with one of the socials or your own email or number. It totally depends on you, but I'm not going to do that. But then you just simply hit the checkout page and you should be good to go. You do need to go ahead and create the account, and then once you've created the account, you can apply the discount codes that you can find in the description below. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.